Class 9 children, today again we will discuss chapter 18, surface area and volume of 3D solids, cuboid and cube. Question number 26. 50 students sit in a classroom. Each student requires 9 meter square on floor and 108 meter cube in space. So very interesting question. There is a classroom where 50 students sit together and the space required on floor. As you know, if you see only the floor of a room, it is rectangle in shape. That means area required by one student, each student means one student, is 9 meter square. Now area required by 50 students, how will we get? We will multiply 50 with 9 and that way we will get area required by 50 students, and that area will be the area of floor. And 108 meter cube, because in area we have square in the unit and meter cube means it is all about volume, and in space means space is that place, the top of the room, like where air is flowing from one direction to the other direction, those places, the flying places where the air particles remain, that space, that means it is a volume. That means the volume required by one student is 108 meter cube. That means volume required by 50 student will be 50 into 108 meter cube. So that way we will get volume also, and already we got area of the floor also here. Now find the length of the room. If the length of the room is 25 meter, length of the room has been given. Now you have to find the breadth as well as height of the room. So you need to find breadth and height. So let us start. I have done the question very easy way. Try to understand. As you know, area required by each student. Each student means every student. That means one student. Also I can say. So area required by each student on floor is 9 meter square. It is mentioned here. You can read here. Therefore, area required by 50 students on floor equal to 9 into 50. Very simple. For one student it is 9 meter square. So for 50 it will be into 50. Now if you multiply these two value, it will be 450 meter square. So I can say now this will be the area of floor, because this is all about the students, they are on the floor. So that means the area of floor is this. I can write area of floor is 450 meter square. As floor is a rectangle, so we find the area of rectangle by multiplying length into breadth equal to 450. As length has been given, the length of the room is 25. 25 into b equal to 450. Therefore b equal to 450 by 25. If you simplify, by the end we get 18 meter. So we got breadth. So one of the question is find the breadth. So breadth, that means the breadth of the room will be 18 meter. This is our one answer. Now we need to find height also. So now height will come with the help of volume. Now you can see here, volume required by each student on space is 108 meter cube. So you can see 108 meter cube on space we need the place. That means same thing I wrote in my own sentence. It is 108 meter cube. So for one student, space required is 108 meter cube. Volume required by 50 students, because there are 50 students in the question. So volume required by 50 students on space equal to 108 into 50. It will be 5400 meter cube. So I can say now the volume of the classroom, that is volume of the cuboid, is same 5400 meter cube. And volume is found with the help of L into B into H equal to 5400. Length is given in the question, that is 25. Breadth just now we got 18. You can see length is given here as 25. So breadth just now we got 18. 25 into 18 into H equal to same. 25 into 18 will come and divide. H equal to, if you simplify, H is 12 meter. So we got H also. So these two are our answers. Next question children. Two cubes each of volume 343 centimeter cube are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So there are two cubes joined and the volume of each cube is 343 centimeter cube. Both are same and they are joined and then a cuboid is formed. You have to find the area of cuboid. Just like yesterday's question, but yesterday side of a cube was given, but today volume of a today volume of a cube is given. So I can write now volume of a cube means one cube, a cube equal to 343 centimeter cube. So volume is found with the help of L cube, L into L into L. L cube equal to 343, L equal to cube root of 343. If you remove cube on the left side, we get cube root on the right side, and 343 the cube root is 7. So L equal to 7. That means the length of each side, length, breadth, height of a cube is 7 centimeter. In the rough I have done cube root. Now therefore length of resulting cuboid, if you join both the cube it will become cuboid, and as the length is 7 here and here also it is 7, so the resulting cuboid will have 7 plus 7 14 centimeter will be the length of resulting cuboid, and breadth will be 7 only, because if you join the breadth will be 7 only. Here breadth cannot be added and height also will be 7. So yesterday only I have explained breadth will be 7, height of the resulting cuboid also will be 7. Therefore surface area of resulting cuboid, this is the surface area formula. Now put length, breadth and height in the respective place, multiply, add, and finally you will get 490 centimeter square, which I have discussed again and again. Very simple formula. Last question. A certain quality of wood cost rupees 250 per meter cube. So meter cube, it is a unit of volume. So to buy 1 meter cube wood, it cost rupees 250. That means when you buy a volume of wood having 1 meter cube, its cost will be 250. That means if you will buy 2 meter cube, you have to multiply by 2 this. That means 500. It goes so on. A solid cubicle, here cubicle means cube. A solid cubicle block, that means a wooden block. So cube block I can say, or cubicle block, that means cubicle here I mean to say cube. Of such wood is bought for 6,750. So somebody is purchasing the same quality wood and it cost in total rupees 6,750. Calculate the volume of cubicle block. That means you have to find the volume of cube and find the length of one edge. So when you find the volume, you can find length of one edge, one side of the block also. So very easy. Cost of per meter cube wood is rupees 250. Per means 1. So cost of 1 meter cube wood is rupees 250. So total cost of wood is 6,750. Just like I can say, suppose 1 kg potato cost 40 rupees, suppose, and in total if you buy 400 rupees potato, that means total cost will be 400. Same thing, 1 meter cube wood is 250, total cost of wood is 6,750. Now volume of wood, now no need to put the formula will come from here. Total cost by per meter cube. For example children, one small example I want to give. Suppose 1 kg potato cost is 40 rupees, suppose, and total cost is 400. That means how many kg potato you have purchased? You have purchased 10 kg. How? Total cost is 400 and per kg cost is 40. If you cancel them, it will be 10 only. So that means same thing. Total cost is this and per meter cube cost is this. So that way if you divide both this, the answer will be 27 meter cube. That means the volume of the wood is 27 meter cube. Total cost this particular value and per meter cube is this value. If you cancel, simplify, 27 meter cube. That means one answer came. Find the volume of cubicle block. Cubicle block means wood. So volume of, you can write cubicle block or you can write volume of wood is 27 meter cube is our answer. Now you need to find edge. Edge means side. So volume of cubicle wood is this and volume formula is L cube equal to 27. So L equal to cube root of 27 and L equal to 3. So edge will be 3 meter. Very simple question, very interesting. Please practice these kind of questions. Thank you, children.